Hello there, Sir EJ here. In this video, I will be showing you Google Mail or Gmail, an email service provided by Google. This will be one of the most used apps for communication purposes between the school and the pupil or parent. Please make sure that the email that you are using is the Google Workspace account that is given by the school. Basically, Gmail is our new announcement notebook. All the updates from all the Google classrooms will be shown here as an email. For example, all your class invitations will pop up in your inbox. General school announcements from the administration or emails from teachers can also be found here. The search bar is great for looking for particular emails received. It can even detect keywords or attach documents in the email you're looking for. For example, you forgot the title of the email for an announcement. So try searching using a keyword such as announcements or even the office's email address, administrator@danubeschool.ph.education. You can create an email by clicking on this Compose button. After clicking on the button, a pop-up should show on the right side of the screen. At the bottom of the Compose button is where you will see all your mailboxes. Now, the mail we are in right now is called Inbox. There's an indicator on the left side of the screen. There's also an indication if you have unread emails. You'll notice here that the unread messages have a bold text to it. If you click on it and read the email, the bold style will be gone. Looking back at the mailboxes on the left, you have starred, which is where your starred email will show up as well. You can label an email as star simply by clicking the star icon beside the email. You star your important emails to find them easily, like announcements from the school. The sent mail is where you can see all your sent emails. And last is the drafts mail, where you can see all your unsent and draft emails. Google saves these automatically. There's also this refresh button that refreshes your mail in case you're expecting a newly sent email. Next, I will show you how to create a new email. Simply click on the Compose button on the left side of the screen. After clicking, there should be a pop-up on the right side of the screen. From here, you can input your recipient's email address. Because Blue Danube School has a school domain, it is easy to find the teacher or admin personnel you'd like to contact. Down below is where you can type in the subject of this email. Next is the body of your email. After typing in the message of this email, you can customize your email like changing the font size. You can also attach files under 25 megabytes and lots of other customization options. Next is the settings button where you can change your view of the inboxes. You can make it compact so that you'll only see a small view of the emails. You can also change the theme of your Gmail account. They have a variety of themes that you can choose from. Besides the setting icon is the Google App Drawer or Launcher, in which you can access all your Google apps. Also, beside that is your Google account icon. When you click on it, it will show you all the accounts that are signed in to the device. And this also allows you to manage, add, and remove accounts. Remember, if you have multiple personal accounts, there are higher chances that your child may get confused when Google asks which account to use. This is why we encourage you to make the Google Workspace account the default account when your child is engaging in online learning. Also, be sure to check your child's Gmail every day. Important notices, announcements, and reminders will be announced here. Ignorance is not an excuse, especially with the online learning modality. If in case you notice you're not receiving emails from the school, do inform the IT department right away so we can add you to the mailing list. So that's about it. You are now knowledgeable on Google Mail. Feel free to explore the other Google apps on your own or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from the Blue Danube IT department. Thank you and have a great day.